to please come up to the podium and tell us about this edition of Zee Cine Awards.
Thank you, Usha. Good evening, and I'd like to first welcome all my friends from the media fraternity. Thank you all for joining us today. I'm pleased to announce that the 14th edition of the Zee Cine Awards will be held in Mumbai. Year on year, Zee Cine Awards is a property with growing global reach and audience share. Every year, the talent recognized by our viewers continues to inspire us with the depth and richness that the Hindi film industry represents. Zee Cine Awards, Zee celebrated a milestone on the Indian television with Shah Rukh's blockbuster Chennai Express. The film's world television premiere had the highest viewership ever on Indian television. This time on Zee Cine Awards, audiences will see Shah Rukh in a very entertaining act. The success of Zee Cine Awards over the years makes it a crucial component of every advertiser's media mix, and this year, they will further leverage it across Zee's various channels. Zee, with it being a network property, Zee News and DNA will be our news and print partner, and ETC will be our Bollywood partner. Our tie-up with the upcoming movie Total Siapa will also be an interesting initiative as we support extraordinary new films that need a platform like Zee Cine Awards to showcase their work in a glamorous manner. Once again, I thank you all for being here, and over to Usha again.
Thank you, sir. I'll slot him just as a movie actor as he dons several hats, including film producer, cricket franchise owner, and a creative and brilliant entrepreneur. It's all in a day's work for him. Put your hands together to welcome the true global ambassador of Indian culture, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you very much, everyone. Good evening, and for a change, I was here on time. I was told a few of you were late, so I have to wait in the room. So I can't tell you how happy I feel about this. But welcome here. Thank you, as always, for being here in such large numbers and with such warmth and goodness. Thank you very much, Puneet, who's a very, very special friend, has been a friend even before my introduction to Zee Cine Awards, this year called the Lux Cozy Zee Cine Awards 2014. We've been friends. We sit down, chat, talk about life. Sometimes, if I'm allowed to say, sing songs together late into the night. Some really sad old songs, and dance together with his family and mine together. It's always been fun being with him. Whenever I've participated since 1998, as I've been reminded in Zee Cine Awards, it's never been work for me. I do it because I enjoy it. I do it because it's great fun. I have hosted a few of the segments. I have hosted full shows of Zee Cine Awards. And this year too, I wanted to be different. I wanted to do an exclusive act, which I'm not doing for anybody else, but for Zee Cine Awards, hopefully, once we've prepared it and done it and perform it on 8th of Feb live. And when it's beamed on 23rd Feb, am I correct? 23rd of February. तो देखना मत भूलेगा जी सिने अवार्ड सिर्फ जी सिने अवार्ड्स लक्स को जी सिने अवार्ड 2014 सिर्फ जी सिने पर so but thank you very much. It's I know we have the award season. I was just tweeting before I came here, just like the festive seasons in India, we have the award season, and so happy season greetings for awards to everyone. बहुत सारे होते हैं और सबके सब को बेस्ट विशेस और सबके सब बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस को अच्छा लगता है या डायरेक्टर्स को प्रोड्यूसर्स को जब उनके काम को सराहाया जाए. लेकिन जी सिने अवार्ड एक कहा नहीं जाता ऐसा, लेकिन आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा व्यूअर चॉइस अवार्ड है. आई थिंक इट्स मोर बेस्ड ऑन द पीपल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Last year itself, I was made to understand backstage that 52 million people saw the Zee Cine Awards. Overall, Zee covers more than 700 million people viewership, and 4.5 million people, I'm made to understand, voted for the award. So all the actors, actresses, directors, producers, and filmmakers who are awarded the Zee Cine Awards, I think somehow reach the heart of the audience all across the world in different languages, across nations, and across barriers. So I think that itself is an extremely commendable job done by this television channel to take our cinema across the world. I am privileged and humbled and extremely grateful for Puneet and his team to always choose me as an integral part of Zee Cine Awards. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this year's edition, and best wishes and are in order to everyone who's participating, and inshallah, may the best films, the best actors, the best actresses, the best performers win. And we all, for you, I'm an employee of Z now. I even write for the DNA, but that's only for his wife. So I'm full-time working. As a matter of fact, sometimes when I get time, I go and shoot films also nowadays. So thank you, Z, for giving me this platform, making me feel so important to have the launching press conference. There are going to be very many more accomplished actors, performers, actresses who are going to be performing for Zee Cine Awards on the 8th of February. But thank you very much for choosing me to be the one to launch the press conference. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Have a good evening.
Thank you, Shah Rukh. We are happy to be associated with Lux Cozy. I'd now to come up and speak about his association as title sponsor of the awards. Sir, please, a few words about your association as title sponsor. Thank you, Mr. Todi. I'd like to now cue in the AV for the Zee Cine Awards. Can we dim the lights, please? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So, Mr. Shah Rukh, you have been a darling to awards since long time, and this time your movie, and this year 2013 was a big, proved to be a successful year for Bollywood at box office. Your movie Chennai Express was a blockbuster. Then came Krish, which was also a big hit, and finally came Dhoon 3, which surpassed all records. So, in this scenario, how confident are you about winning the awards?
I don't even know if I'm nominated actually yet. I'm really sorry. I don't normally even see the nominations. I have had so many awards, mashallah. Allah's been very kind. I think the award functions have been very kind. I think the work and the directors and producers have been so kind that I am somehow have been part of award functions in some capacity or the other, even on the receiving end in terms of the good awards that have been bestowed upon me. So I have lost that whole system of sitting and watching if I'm nominated, not. I just go have fun. Sometimes I perform if I'm called upon to do so, like the relationship I have with Z. And sometimes I just go and attend and hope that I've done good enough work. I always say an award is actually a recognition, a whole year's work. And whenever I'm given so, I feel very thrilled and thankful. And then I promise myself I'll work harder. The year I don't get it, I'm still thankful, and I promise myself I'll work even harder to try and get it next year. So I don't compare, I don't think. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मैं उनके लिए अच्छा या बुरा सोचता हूँगा. उनको ये नहीं मालूम मैं उनके बारे में सोचता ही नहीं हूँ. मैं सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचता हूँ, अपने काम के बारे में सोचता हूँ, खुश रहता हूँ और मेहनत करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को मैं entertain कर सकूँ. Beyond that, I don't really sit down and work out. But this one is a special award. तो जब भी मुझे ये वाला Best Actor award नहीं मिलता, थोड़ा बुरा लगता है. तो अगर इस साल नहीं मिलेगा तो अगले साल और कोशिश करूंगा और मेहनत करूंगा. जो बाकी हैं फिल्म के अवार्ड, प्रोड्यूसिंग के अवार्ड, राइटिंग के अवार्ड, वो मेरी डोमेन के नहीं है यार. मुझे बेस्ट एक्टर अच्छा लगता है जो मुझे आता है. And that's my main core job. So inshallah I will try harder if I don't get it. If I get it, I'll still work harder so I get it next year again.
Next question.
Mr. Goenka, this is Lipika here from Deccan Chronicle. Would you